Yo, what's up? So today I will show you how to make everything you need in MOBOX to start playing games. Since NFT games started to pop off and a lot of new players don't know how to buy their first MOMO, today I will cover all of that and let me know if you want me to make more videos about MOBOX. So first thing you need to do, you need to go to official site of MOBOX and make your account. That's super easy, so I won't steal your time and I will try to cover that as fast as I can. So you need to put your username, you need to put your Gmail, then you need to ask for verification code, just click it, and then you need to wait. Servers can be laggy, so it could take up to 10 minutes, but usually it comes really fast. And in my code you can leave it empty or you can use mine, so you help my channel grow. It's going to be in description, and if you do, I will let you know in my next video what I got from it. I don't know if you are getting something from it because nobody used my code so far, so I don't know. Then you click next and you put your password. And that's all. So now you have your account and now you need two things. You need Binance profile, and Binance is also really easy to do. I already made a video how to make Binance profile and set it up step by step under 3 minutes. So go check that video out and don't forget to use my code because I'm affiliate with Binance and I have best code you can possibly find. So it's really worth to use it. In long term you're gonna save so much money on transactions. Also, if you never use code but you have Binance, I suggest you to make new one with my code. So after Binance you are almost done. You just need MetaMask. You download it, but you download Chrome extension. It's extremely simple. You just click here. It should be download for Chrome. Then once you have it, you click over here. And this over here, those are networks. And you need smart chain. So when you download it, you don't have it. You need to manually add it. So how you should do it, you click here, you click settings, then you scroll down, you find networks, and over here I have smart chain, but you will not have it because you just made your MetaMask. You go add network, and then over here you need to add this will be in description, so I help you a bit. So network name, you go smart chain. In URL you copy this one, and then it's already saying that I have it, so I can't put it twice. Then in chain you put 56 symbol BNB, and then this another URL, you just put it here and then you save it. After that you have smart chain, and you will probably be on Ethereum. You just go like this, you just put, that's wrong one, you just put smart chain and then you can start. The next thing you want to do, you want to connect your wallet. So you go over here, you connect wallet, and I like to use MetaMask, and I will also show you how to put money on MetaMask as well. Then you press next and next. So now I will explain you how you send your BNB coin to MetaMask. So right now over here in fiat and spot I have USDT $31, and we are going to trade this to BNB. Over here I go to buy BNB with USDT. I put market maximum for $31 and I buy. So next thing, I'm going to my fiat and spot wallet again. I find my BNB and I click withdraw. So over here I need to put my MetaMask wallet address. So I go to my browser, I copy this address, I just click it here, I place it here. Over here should be Binance Smart Chain and amount how much BNB I want to send. Check everything once again and confirm. So of course it's going to ask me some data, my phone and my email, so I get code. Withdraw is done, and now I just need to wait. So on my MetaMask I got my BNB, and now I'm going to MOBOX, I'm going to market, I'm going for cheapest one, and I want to buy, for example, this one. So I go approve, confirm, then I need to wait a bit. And now when everything is good, I can make purchase. It says that I don't have balance on my MetaMask. It's because I sent BNB, and MOMOs you can buy only with stablecoin, and I completely forget about that, so I will show you that as well. And also on your Binance, you need to swap your Binance to Binance Safe Coin. Also, when you're swapping your BNB, leave some BNB because you are going to pay some transaction fees with BNB coin. Everything is good. Swap. Transaction complete. And now you go back and you buy your MOMO. Okay, so this guy which I want to buy for 15 bucks, he sold or delisted. So I will just, for sake of this video, buy another one. Confirm. Transaction success. And now I should have my own MOMO. He is in mining camp and I'm getting 2 hash power from that guy. So that's all for this video. Now it's just question how much money you have to invest, because you need a lot. And if you want me to do another video, I can show you way how you can make $20 a day only with $20 invested. So like video, let me know if you want another one, and that's all. Wish you all good day.